Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the language in Yahoo Mail. To do so, firstly you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then on the search box, search for mail.yahoo.com. This will directly take you to Yahoo Mail. Once you're here, then you may look at the top right corner. Right beside the home icon, you can see your name. Once you take your pointer to your name, a drop-down appears where you're given a few options like sign out, add or manage account, and then right below your email you can see account info. Click on account info. This will open a new tab. Here on the left side of your screen, you can see a few options that are given to you. You can see the personal info option right between the overview and security option. Click on personal info. Here under personal info, right below update profile photo, you can see update language option. Click on that. Then click on your preferred language. A drop-down may appear and you may select from the various languages options given here. You may select one of your language according to your preference and then you may click on save updates. This will change the language in your Yahoo Mail. You can see the change of language on your screen itself. This is how you can easily change your language in Yahoo Mail. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.